for a kingdom to redeem the hearts of man. Now my people, don't you weep, he has risen from his sleep, he lives again. Alleluia, sing alleluia, the Lord is risen, he is risen indeed, alleluia. Happy Easter, happy resurrection of Jesus Christ. And may the bunnies have passed by your home. So for this Easter, let us make Easter cupcakes as how this has been made. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. And for all those who are new, welcome aboard. And I wish that you will subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. To make the cupcake, we have to prepare a few preparation. Number one is the preheat the oven to 375 or 350 Fahrenheit, and also line your cupcake pan with a liner. A liner means this cup is the paper cup, which I have already prepared, and I also have 225 grams of all-purpose flour, which is the cake and pastry flour. I have 185 grams of regular sugar. I'll be using 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I have 1 cup of salted butter, and I have 4 eggs, and I have half a cup of milk. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this particular cupcake. And there are other cupcakes that I will be making in my future videos. Till then, we'll see how this Easter special cupcake to be done. Our first step is I'm going to add the baking powder into the flour and whisk it. Just whisk it with your whisk until it's well mixed. The baking soda and the flour has been mixed well, so now we are going to do the next step. Our next step is to cream the butter and the sugar, and so we will add the sugar, 185 grams, and also 1 cup of salted butter. They used to say that using unsalted butter is the perfect butter to be used for baking indeed, but since I'm not going to add salt, so I'm using salted butter, which will come approximately almost the same. But for pies and pastries, I would encourage you to use unsalted butter, not salted butter. So now let us mix this butter and the sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Beginning with the slow speed until the butter and the sugar is mixed for 1 to 2 minutes. And time to time we have to scrape down the mixture. And now we could also add the vanilla essence, which is 2 teaspoons, and we'll continue creaming. And now we can increase the speed. The next step is to add the egg one at a time. The first egg has been added, and now we will whip it gently so that it falls in gently. Make sure that you use minimal speed or the slowest speed. And we'll add the second egg. shall add the third egg and we'll continue beating. And we shall add the fourth egg. And the mixing is completed. Now we shall scrape down everything and we will do the next step. Our next step is to fold the flour and the milk at each addition. So to begin with, I will start off with the flour. So I will be using approximately about 3 tablespoons. 3 to 5, I'll use 4. And we'll fold the flour. So it's the folding method is the pushing out the bottom and pushing down the top. Like pushing up the bottom and pushing up the top without breaking the bubbles or without breaking the air that has been erected into the batter. So I'm starting off with the flour, and then I will do 2 batches of the milk. And now we will add the milk in approximately about 1/4 cup and fold it in. And I'll do next 4 tablespoons of flour. And we'll fold it in. And the flour has been folded, and now we will add the milk. All the milk goes in, and we'll continue folding. And as the milk has been folded, and now we will add the rest of the flour and fold it in. The batter is been well folded, and now it's time to mold them into the baking pans. Using an ice cream scoop, I'm going to scoop them and I'm going to fill them in the cups, and after that it goes in the oven. And all the cups have been filled, and now it goes into the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So we will be back about 18 to 20 minutes time. And dear viewers, our cupcakes are already out, baked from the oven and with a golden brown crust, and now we will wait for it to cool off completely. So we will see each other in our second part of this video. Until then, bye bye.